Hello everyone. We hope you're all healthy and having a wonderful day. This is the Crypto Society. Welcome back to the channel. We are back with yet another mind-blowing video. This trading bot will give you insane profits. You won't lose a single penny with them. Before we get started, subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video and share it with your friends. Without any delay, let's get started with the video. What's the role of bots in crypto trading? Cryptocurrencies are notorious for their extreme volatility, with values moving significantly in minutes. Investors may also participate in Bitcoin trading from anywhere in the globe and at any time of the day. These characteristics, when taken together, restrict the efficacy of human cryptocurrency trading in several ways. First, many investors are unable to respond rapidly enough to market fluctuations to execute the best transactions that are theoretically possible. Slowdowns in exchanges and transaction delays aggravate the situation even further. Second, investors just do not have the time to devote to the cryptocurrency markets to consistently make the greatest trades. To do so, Bitcoin exchanges all around the world would have to be monitored 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Many investors will be relieved to learn that there are answers to these problems. Bots, or automated programs that make trades and execute deals on behalf of human investors, are one of the most common options. Bots are, without a doubt, a contentious aspect of the market, with explanations for utilizing them as well as grounds for not employing them at all. Traders use bots to take advantage of the global cryptocurrency markets, which are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Bots have an edge over investors in that they react faster. Meanwhile, investors don't always have the time to devote to getting the best trade, which is something bots can do. An arbitrage bot is a popular form of bot that seeks to profit on price differences across exchanges. The following are the main components of most crypto trading bots. Market data analysis. This module will collect raw market data from many sources, evaluate it, and determine whether to purchase or sell a certain Bitcoin asset. To achieve more precise findings, most bots let users select which sorts of data go into the signal generating sector. Market risk prediction. This module is an important part of a cryptocurrency trading bot. This one, like the last one, utilizes market data to determine the market's potential risk. The bot will select how much to invest or trade based on this information. Buying or selling the assets. This module of the crypto trading bot makes strategic purchases and sales of cryptocurrency assets using APIs. You may want to avoid buying tokens in bulk at times, while in other cases, quick purchases may be the best option. Such issues are handled by the execution module. Types of bots. Cryptocurrency bots come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The arbitrage bot is one of the most common sorts. Arbitrage bots are software that compares prices across exchanges and trades to profit from price differences. Because the price of a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin varies from one exchange to the next, bots that can move quickly enough can outperform exchanges that are slow to update values. Other bots utilize past price data to test trading methods, giving investors an advantage in theory. Other bots are designed to make trades in response to certain indications like price or trading volume. How bots work. To help with Bitcoin trading, investors may sign up for free bot programs. Many bots, on the other hand, have user fees, some of which might be extremely high. Typically, investors look for the bot or bots that will be the most beneficial to them, then request a code from a developer. In terms of software and hardware, each bot has its own set of needs. Bots may be quite useful. However, the question of whether or not they should be allowed in Bitcoin trading is still up for discussion. However, to get the most out of a bot, an investor needs to understand how to use it effectively. Investors, for example, must have the appropriate accounts set up on digital currency exchanges. They'll need to fund those accounts with Bitcoin. They must still make investing decisions, such as when to purchase or sell in many situations. For an investor unwilling to put in the time and effort required for success, a crypto bot is not a get-rich-quick option. Advantages of crypto trading bots. The following are some of the most important features and benefits of crypto trading bots. More powerful. A human trader can only process a certain quantity of data at any given moment. Even if all of the data has been analyzed, finding insights from it may be difficult. Crypto trading bots can easily process large amounts of data and come to reasonable conclusions. Efficient. Investing in cryptocurrencies, it has always seemed to be more efficient to use a crypto trading bot. There are no delays, or more crucially, human errors to worry about. As long as the bot obtains accurate data and uses appropriate algorithms, it will be able to trade assets with a higher probability of profit. These bots have the extra benefit of being able to operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Emotionless. Every choice made by a crypto trading bot is based on the perceived risk. It has no fear of losing or hunger for profit, unlike humans. Experienced traders may be able to make sensible judgments by suppressing their emotions, but this is not always the case for everyone, particularly novices. A crypto trading bot, on the other hand, always removes emotion from the equation. Disadvantages of crypto trading bots. When dealing with a very volatile market, crypto trading bots aren't flawless. Situations like the continuing COVID-19 epidemic can have a surprising influence on the market, and it's impossible to forecast how these occurrences will affect the economy. To keep piling up the profits, you'll need a superior, psychologically driven plan. Because crypto trading bots are unable to do so, this is one area where you must rely on your intuition. Crypto trading bots' efficiency can also be harmed by programming mistakes. When defining the bot's circumstances and actions, especially when developing your crypto trading bot from the start, you must be extremely cautious. It's important to realize that crypto trading bots mostly assist in generating marginal gains. For the effective use of a crypto trading bot, it is necessary to have a thorough understanding of the digital currency markets as well as a solid supporting investment strategy. A bot may be a beneficial tool for certain investors when it comes to Bitcoin trading. Others, on the other hand, may find that by the time they've put in the effort to properly train themselves to operate a crypto trading bot, they no longer want its services. Best free Bitcoin bots for beginners. Blackbird Bitcoin Arbitrage. A Bitcoin BTC arbitrage bot is computer software that analyzes and evaluates Bitcoin prices across exchanges to conduct automated trades that profit from price differences. An arbitrage bot, for example, may see that BTC is selling for $200 more per token on Kraken than it is on Bitflyer, prompting the bot to purchase BTC on Bitflyer and swiftly sell it on Kraken to earn a modest profit. One advantage of this sort of bot is that you're not selling tokens you already possess. Instead, you're exploiting market gaps. Blackbird is a useful technique in any market situation, since it is unaffected by market volatility. The bot's trading approach will be unchanged even if Bitcoin loses half its value overnight. Furthermore, arbitrage strategies function in parallel on several exchanges, eliminating latency concerns and allowing bots to execute profitable trades whenever an opportunity arises. At the moment, Blackbird is only a Bitcoin automated trading bot. Catalyst Enigma. Catalyst is a Python-based free bot with a wide range of customization options. Developers may create and test sophisticated bespoke strategies, as well as evaluate them using Enigma's dashboard, which displays a variety of useful information for each strategy. Users may then share this information with other users and compare notes on the most productive techniques. ItchyBot. ItchyBot is more of a tool than a bot because it is entirely controlled via the command line interface and does not make trading choices on its own. It's a tool for creating trade strategies for people who prefer programming to click. Users may create complex trading strategies for Binance and FTX, which they can then execute in real time to profit from market swings. SuperAlgos. While most free bots are built for those who know how to code, SuperAlgos has a visual interface similar to those seen in commercial bots. This makes crypto bot trading accessible to a new group of non-technical individuals. It has a surprising number of features, including automatic trading, graphic strategy creation, and back-and-forth testing. Furthermore, the project is dedicated to being open source, free, and trustless. So, these were some of the best bots which you can get free of cost, and they will help you trade crypto for a profit. These are all equally good, although they have their pros and cons. It is up to you to decide which one to choose based on your requirements. Let us know what you think. Which bot is the best among all these shortlisted? Do you plan to use any of these bots? If yes, which one are you willing to go with?